Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool and new way to pay for your print-on-demand orders with Shirtsy Print-on-Demand. We'll jump right into it. And it's a really cool new way to manage cash flow with print-on-demand. And there's a couple of other really cool features as well. But I want to be talking about Shirtsy Print-on-Demand. And of course, it works with the print-on-demand business model, which is by far the best business model online right now. You're going to be able to sell hundreds of different products without ever ordering them up front. You're not going to have to touch them or store them in a warehouse or anything like that. And when you combine it with Shopify, it allows you to start a business ASAP. You could literally pick any niche you want and you could be up and running very quickly. But some of the pain points that you might run into have to do with actually paying for orders and cash flow. Right? When an order comes in on Shopify, for example, let's say you're using Shopify payments, you'll get paid in 48 to 72 hours from Shopify. But to make sure there's no delay, the print-on-demand company, your print-on-demand partner, is going to start to produce that product ASAP so it can get out to the customer as quickly as possible. And at that point, they're going to go ahead and charge you for the production there. You still have your profit margin. The problem is just the cash flow hasn't arrived yet from Shopify. And what Shirtsy is going to do is basically eliminate that by having net 30 terms. I'll go into this in more detail, but it's going to allow you to always have strong cash flow. You're not going to need to have existing capital. You're not going to need to have existing business credit, right? This is a way for you to get up and running immediately and never have to deal with the only pain point in print on demand, which is that cash flow issue. So that's why I want to show you Shirtsy. This is what I highly recommend, and really a very new and cool way to pay for your print-on-demand fulfillment and your orders. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to bring up the Shirtsy site. I'm going to show you exactly how everything works, all the benefits of why you'd want to use them, and then of course I'll go into the catalog. You'll see all of the great products that you'll be able to sell instantly with Shirtsy Print-on-Demand. So we'll go over the shoulder right now. So this is Shirtsy, and I'm going to bring you through the catalog and show you really all of the cool products and different types of ideas that you can get from selling with Shirtsy. But I want to talk about some of the advantages, especially when we're talking about the Net 30 program. And you see over here, apply for Net 30. You'll be able to just apply over here, very easy to put in your information and be able to get started. And this is the whole idea where you could essentially start an entire t-shirt company and build business credit at the same time. That's what Shirtsy's dropship program with the Net 30 is all about. You're gonna be able to sell now and pay as you grow. All of the sale money, every single dollar that you take in from your sale is gonna go to you. And then you get billed on Net 30 terms, basically 30 days out. So you'll be able to maximize cash flow with all of these products, right? Page after page after page. I'll show you some of my favorite products in the Shirtsy catalog. And this is gonna easily integrate, of course, with Shopify, but also with Wix, Squarespace, WooCommerce, Etsy, and more. And there's free onboarding and integration assistance, great support over here in terms of Shirtsy. But the real bottom line is this is a brand new way to pay for your print-on-demand items, right? Let's say we were gonna sell a t-shirt, for example, right? Of course, what's gonna happen typically is that we'll have our t-shirt into our store and then we'll be selling that t-shirt on Shopify, for example, right? We always use Shopify. Let's say we sell it for 50 bucks. We collect that $50. Typically what's going to happen is it will take 2 to 3 days for that money to hit your account through Shopify payments. And because we don't want any delays, your print-on-demand partner will stop producing or will start producing the order immediately. But with Shirtsy, they're still going to produce the order immediately, but they're going to bill you on Net 30 terms, meaning cash flow positivity from day one. Think about that. You'll be able to use that money immediately from the sale for more ads, for employees if you have any, for new marketing, right? The whole way for you to grow your business is not going to be about managing cash flow. It's going to be about putting your sales to work, reinvesting your profits in more ads, and scaling your business. Shirtsy is by far the best way to do that with print on demand, with their Net 30 drop shipping program. It's incredibly powerful. Now, of course, you want to see the product catalog. You can come over here to Shirtsy and take a look at page after page after page of all different catalog items. So you could even sort by color. But I'm going to show you some of the most important products, ones that you're going to absolutely want to have in your print-on-demand store here on Shopify. And of course, unisex hoodies, one of the best products that you'll be able to sell on print-on-demand because it has a little bit of a higher ticket value than a t-shirt, right? A t-shirt compared to a hoodie. Of course, hoodie's going to be a bit more expensive. And you have all the different options over here in terms of coloring and sizing, of course, and you'll be able to add your own design right inside of this print on demand, right? This is the entire benefit of this business model. You could put any design that you want over here. You'll be able to put your own design on these products. That's the entire power of print on demand. That's why you get to start an entire brand exactly the way that you want to start it. And with Shirtsy, you're going to have that ability to have that net 30 billing term. So you'll have full cash flow positivity from day one. You could scale and grow your business very quickly. Definitely with the unisex hoodie, it's a staple product that you want to have in your store. Another really popular one, the flowy crop tee. This is more of a fashion cut tee. You see, it's a crop t-shirt. And this is incredibly powerful if you have a unisex or a women's brand. Of course, this is a product that is very popular right now. We have different colors, of course, different sizes over here. It's a very popular cut, not your traditional t-shirt. And what does that mean for you? Well, first of all, you're going to stand out more, of course, because you have a product that's not overly saturated. Most print-on-demand companies are not focusing on flowy crop tees. Here, you're going to have this in your store. It's going to stand out, but even more important than that, you're going to be able to charge a higher premium because this is a more expensive cut shirt. This isn't just your basic t-shirt. It has a little bit of that fashion emphasis. Higher price tag means higher profit, of course, for you, and easier job when it comes to running the ads. Another great one here, talking about a little bit higher ticket product, and they have different colors as well. This is an olive example, but distressed classic fit jackets. Again, you're going to be able to put your own design on this jacket, and this is a super high quality product, not at all typical from your print-on-demand providers. So you're getting net 30 terms, but Shirtsy also has an incredible product library of some very, very unique products. Here we're taking a look at that classic fit jacket over here, the distressed styling, right? Again, not your typical hoodie, not your typical t-shirt. With Shirtsy, you get some really unique products. Here's one of my favorite ones as well, high tops, right? You could literally create your own shoes, create your own kicks brand. These are the high top style. Well, there are plenty of other styles and plenty of other options. You see all the sizes out there. You can do an inside design. You could even do a tongue design on here as well. So really powerful when it comes to having this set up here, because we see this is not just a t-shirt store. We often say print on demand t-shirts, but I showed you, I didn't actually show you one t-shirt here. We have this really cool hoodie. We have the crop flowy tee. We have the distressed jacket, right? I love this one. We have the high tops. And you can go through, you see product after product after product here in the catalog. It all works the same way where you're going to be able to sell it, right? Let's say you want to start a marijuana brand. You literally have marijuana themed t-shirts here. This is a little crop top again. This would sell very, very well. And you could imagine the type of brand that you can build here. Now, this might not be feasible for all brands, or this might not make sense for your brand if you're a cat brand or something, but you get the idea. There's plenty of different options here for your creativity to go wild. And you see over here, right? A beautiful members only jacket. You fully customize this. So that was Shirtsy, and again, I highly recommend them. Take a look at the link directly below this video. You'll be able to apply for that net 30 print on demand account, and you'll be able to jump into all of these amazing brands and pieces of apparel that you'll be able to do print on demand with Shirtsy and build that huge custom brand that you've been dreaming about. So again, link directly below this video. Hope this helps you build a big business, and I'll talk to you real soon.